Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, yesterday throughout the day, gold was trading in a very narrow zone, and finally we can see some upside. And right now, gold is standing at a very crucial level around 2725. In fact, we have discussed in our previous videos also that above 2727 we can look for a buy at breakout. But at this moment, can we buy? Let's try to find out. So first of all, okay, the inauguration ceremony of President Donald Trump is over. So finally, he is the president right now. And obviously, there was some reaction from the market. The main reaction we got to see on the chart of dollar. You can see this is the chart of DXY, and there have been some selling pressure. And this was the main reason why we got to see upside on the chart of gold. The old correlation between DXY and gold doesn't exist, the candle by candle, but still the relation is there. Okay. You can see that gold gains as dollar dips. Trump's tariff plans in focus. So market will be closely watching the Trump's next policies because that will have a huge impact on the global economy. And my dear friends, at this moment, we can see that there is pressure on the chart of DXY, but I don't think so there will be a free fall. But yes, there is some sort of pressure and gold seems to be bullish. So what should be a trading strategy then? Okay, let's find out. We have two possibilities on the chart of gold right now. The first possibility is that gold will come for retracement. There's a big difference between retracement and trend reversal. If gold comes down, okay, you need to observe the volume first. Right now we can see that volume is a little bit lowering down. This is the Asian session. If gold comes down with same volume, same size of candles, then you can expect 2717 to act as the first support. Why? Because 2717, 2716, this particular area was the resistance, and the same resistance will be working as a new support. In case you see that market is standing at 2717 with a big red candle, then obviously it will not work. And our second support will be around 2711, 2710. This is our second support on the chart of gold. Why? Because 2710, 2711, this level was working as a minor resistance yesterday. So today we can expect that if market comes for retracement with normal volume, okay, this will be the second support for the market. So these are the two levels where we can look for a bounce, where we can look for support if market comes for retracement with low volume, especially during the एशियन सेशन एंड दी यूरोपियन सेशन कम वॉल्यूम के साथ आया तो यहाँ पे हम बाय कर सकते हैं ओके बट मार्केट इज फुल ऑफ सरप्राइजेस isn't it? If market falls with heavy selling pressure, for example in the US session, suddenly there's a big red candle. Oh my god, that will be a big shock, isn't it? If that happens, okay, then obviously this will not work. We need to use a common sense. In that case, we can look for a sell below 2700. We can look for a sell below 2700. At least we can expect a target of 50 to 80 pips, minimum 50 pips stop loss, and our next support will be 2790. Sorry, 2690. Sorry, 2690, and this one 2677, 2675. Remember 267775. Yeah, the support of 267775 is still valid in the market. Though the level support of 267577 is far away from the current market price, काफी दूर है, but still market is full of surprises. If market shows heavy selling pressure, this will come for the rescue. If market takes support, we can buy at 2675 area as well. But above 2675, we have the support around 2690 as well. Okay. So again, I'm repeating. So we have two possibilities on the chart of gold right now. First possibility is market coming down for retracement, not trend reversal. If market comes down with low volume, we can look for buy around the level of 2717, 271110 area. Previous resistances will be working as support. But if market shows heavy selling pressure, because market is surprises, okay, so in that case we can look for buy around 2690 where market took support previously, and 2675, 2677, 2678 area. Okay. Now the second possibility. The second possibility in the chart of gold is market not coming for retracement and market directly going up. Market retracement के नहीं है. Okay, market shoots up. If that happens, as we have already discussed in our previous video, the buy above 2727 is still very much valid. Okay, but the problem is that already market has shown considerable upside. Try to understand the scenario here. See, market has already shown considerable upside. For a powerful breakout, किसी भी powerful breakout के लिए, for a powerful breakout, we need consolidation. Right now, we can see the market is consolidating. So if this consolidation continues for more 2 to 3 hours, after that, if market goes for a breakout, then it can be a powerful one. Okay, but without consolidation, if market directly go up, then the upside may not be a big one. Maybe you will see a breakout of 40, 50, 60 pips, not more than that. But after consolidation, if market shoots up, it can be a breakout of 60 pips, 80 pips, 100 pips as well. Maybe market will directly head towards the next resistance of let's say 2740, 2745. Anything is possible. But for any big move, consolidation is important. Because if you love to trade on patterns also, just look at the breakout patterns. Okay, the common factor in all the breakout patterns is consolidation. So consolidation is very important. Right now we can see signs of consolidation, but consolidation hasn't come yet. Okay, so after 2 to 3 hours, if you see the market has consolidated and going up, then it can be a good buy. Okay, and if you don't want to take any risk, suppose you want to play it very safe, then obviously you can just skip it, because trading at breakout is riskier a little bit. In that case, what you can do is later on, when the same level will be the new support, because the resistance will become the new support, then you can look for buy around 2727, 2728 area, because breakout may be riskier. Okay, obviously it is riskier in comparison to retracement. So what we can do is after the breakout, okay, obviously market will come for retracement, then you can buy, because the same resistance 2726, 2728, this particular area will become the new support. So let me wrap it up. So my dear friends, if market comes for retracement with low volume, we can look for bounce around 2717, 271110 area, because the previous resistances will work as support. In case market shows heavy selling pressure, they will not work, and we need to look for buy around 2690 or 267577 area only. And if you want to go for a sell, you can also look for a sell below 2700 as well. But if market doesn't come for retracement, then we can look for buy at breakout as well. Okay, but already market has shown big moves. The problem is that market may be tired, and before any breakout, for a successful breakout especially, the consolidation is important. Right now market is showing signs of consolidation, but we need at least consolidation for 2 to 3 hours more. After proper consolidation of 4 to 5 hours, if market goes for a breakout, then there's a high chance that it will be a successful breakout. Otherwise, it can be a false breakout as well. For example, after 30 minutes, 40 minutes, if you see the market is going up, maybe it will just be a move of 30, 40 pips, and you will see market coming down again. Okay. And if you don't want to take any risk, because buying at breakout is risky a little bit, so what you can do is you can wait for the market to retrace after the breakout. That is a safe game. So when market is coming down again, the previous resistance will be working as a new support. There you can buy around 2727, 2728 area. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Use proper stop loss and be careful. Trade properly. Do not gamble. We are traders, not gamblers.